Forget what you think you know about smartphones. The S24 Ultra isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Buckle up, tech junkies, because we're about to dive into 4 hidden secrets that will blow your mind. Number 1. AI Mastermind. Forget fiddling with sliders and tweaking settings. The S24 Ultra's brain chip is an AI mastermind that anticipates your needs before you even whisper them. Imagine capturing perfect night landscapes without touching a setting. The phone seamlessly adjusting exposure and tone like a digital Rembrandt. Craving pro-level videography? Just hit record, and the AI becomes your invisible director, weaving cinematic magic with lighting, focus, and stabilization that'll leave Spielberg jealous. This isn't just AI assistance, it's a symbiotic partnership. The phone understanding your intent and optimizing its every function to make you a mobile maestro. Whether you're a casual shutterbug or a budding content creator, the S24 Ultra's AI becomes your personal tech ninja, predicting your moves and elevating your mobile experience to uncharted territory. Forget struggling with limitations. This phone pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be, transforming it into an intuitive extension of your creative self. Number 2. The Disappearing Act. Remember those days when notifications and fingerprint sensors felt like intrusive guests at a cinematic feast? The S24 Ultra whispers those distractions into oblivion with its stealth tech. Notifications no longer assault your senses with jarring beeps and blinding lights. Instead, they elegantly emerge as subtle shimmers across the screen, like holographic messages from a distant galaxy. Fingerprint sensors? Vanished. Effortlessly unlock your phone with a mere touch. The sensors seamlessly integrated beneath the display, leaving a canvas so pure, you'll forget it's even there. Imagine this: you're captivated by a thrilling movie, the tension building to a crescendo, and just as the climax approaches, a notification doesn't dare to intrude. This 24 Ultra understands that sometimes the most powerful moments are the ones that aren't interrupted. It's a phone that respects your attention, receding into the background to let you fully experience the digital worlds you explore. Number 3. The Nano Pen. Unleash your inner artist without the bulky baggage. The S24 Ultra introduces the Nano Pen, a retractable wonder smaller than a Tic Tac that lives right inside the phone's sleek body. No more bulky cases or frantic searches for a lost S Pen. With a simple click, this pocket-sized Picasso emerges, ready to transform your phone into a digital canvas. Imagine standing atop a breathtaking mountain peak, capturing the panoramic vista with your camera, and then seamlessly transitioning to the Nano Pen to add a personal sketch or a poetic note. The S24 Ultra empowers you to capture not just moments, but emotions, experiences, and the raw essence of your creative spark. For those who crave creative expression without limits, the Nano Pen is a revelation. It shatters the boundaries between phone and sketchbook, transforming your mobile device into a canvas that's always at your fingertips, ready to capture every fleeting inspiration and transform it into a digital masterpiece. Number 4. Energy Vortex. Picture this: you're miles from civilization, your phone battery dwindling, and your smartwatch on its last electronic gasp. Suddenly, the S24 Ultra flips the script with its energy vortex, the game changer known as reverse wireless charging. Transform your phone into a lifeline for your other devices, effortlessly powering up your smartwatch, earbuds, or even a friend's phone with a simple touch. But the S24 Ultra doesn't stop there. In a pinch, it can even give itself a boost, channeling energy back into its own battery to extend your adventures far beyond the reach of power outlets. The energy vortex shatters the boundaries of traditional charging, transforming your phone into a portable power hub that fuels your passions wherever they take you. It's a testament to the S24 Ultra's relentless pursuit of innovation, redefining what a smartphone can do and how it can empower our lives. Secrets of the S24 Ultra unveiled just a fraction of its boundless potential. This isn't just a phone, it's a self-sustaining tech beast, defying the laws of power anxiety. Forget incremental upgrades. This phone rewrites the rules, throws open the doors to a future where tech elevates, inspires, and empowers. Are you ready to step into the light? The S24 Ultra is waiting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.